Are you looking for the best self-cleaning aquariums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best self-cleaning aquariums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wonderfactory 5-gallon Smart Aquarium. The Wonderfactory Smart Aquarium is designed for simplicity and efficiency. Its all-in-one modular design eliminates the hassle of multiple accessories and complicated setups, allowing you to enjoy a beautiful aquarium with just one power cord. The ultra-thin filtration system ensures your fish live in clean water while being quiet, making it perfect for any room. With high-quality glass and a digital display, you can easily monitor key functions like water temperature and pump speed. Plus, the automatic feeder simplifies feeding, letting you enjoy your aquarium without daily chores. What we like: easy setup and use, quiet filtration system, high-quality glass display, automatic feeding feature. Number 2. TARARIUM Small Fish Tank. The TARARIUM 2-gallon glass aquarium is a self-cleaning fish tank that is perfect for beginners and experienced fish keepers alike. Its complete filter system ensures that the tank stays crystal clear, reducing the need for frequent water changes. The tank also features colorful LED lights that create a visually stunning display, making your fish and plants look even more beautiful. Made entirely of glass, this tank is durable and built to last. It is a great gift idea for anyone who loves fish and makes for a stylish addition to any room. With its 180-day warranty and friendly customer service, you can purchase this tank with confidence. What we like: self-cleaning, colorful LED lights, made of glass. Number 3. URUQ 2-gallon Smart Aquarium Kit. The URUQ Smart Aquarium Kit offers a range of features designed to enhance your aquarium experience. Its efficient water circulation system ensures clean and well-oxygenated water for your fish, while the ultra-quiet pump operates below 35 dB, keeping your environment peaceful. The 6-stage filtration system not only maintains water quality but also promotes beneficial bacteria growth, reducing the need for frequent water changes. With a stunning 7-color LED lighting system, you can create a beautiful ambience that highlights the vibrant colors of your aquatic life. This aquarium is perfect for both beginners and seasoned fish enthusiasts. What we like: quiet operation, customizable LED lighting, efficient filtration system, aroma diffuser, user-friendly design. Number 4. ERAARK Aquarium Kit 1.5 gallon. This ERAARK Betta fish tank is a smart aquarium with adjustable light colors, background decorations, self-cleaning filtration, and an ecological water cycle concept. You can customize the light color to enhance fish growth and create a vibrant underwater ambience. The background boards and hideaway rock cave provide a cozy space for your aquatic pets to play and rest. The self-cleaning filtration system ensures a clean environment by filtering impurities and maintaining water quality. Embrace the ecological concept of water circulation by planting hydroponic plants, reducing the hassle of frequent water changes. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, this tank also makes a perfect gift for loved ones. What we like: adjustable light colors, background decorations, self-cleaning filtration. Number 5. JPHYLL 2.2 gallon Self-Cleaning Fish Tank. The JPHYLL self-cleaning fish tank is designed to provide you with an enjoyable aquarium experience. Its triple filtration system ensures that your fish thrive in crystal clear water by combining filtering, oxygenation, and circulation. You can also create the perfect ambience with adjustable 3-color lighting, making it easy to set the mood. The durable automotive-grade glass offers a stunning 360-degree view while minimizing maintenance. Plus, with straightforward assembly and maintenance instructions, you can spend less time worrying and more time enjoying your aquatic friends. What we like: triple filtration system, adjustable lighting options, durable glass construction, easy assembly and maintenance.